Hi, this is Heather from ZY Packaging. Today we are going to introduce the common way of sealing cartons. Magnet section to close the box. Generally used in more high-grade batik gift boxes. Like this one in my hand, it looks invisible and is durable. Simple to use and easy to adsorb. There are also many bags fixed with rope. Loop the rope around the two circles, finally securing the bag seal. Beautiful and fine. Using the material of the box itself, cut off the shape of the tear, like this one in my hand. It's much easier to use. Make it easier and more fun to open the box. Different seals have different characteristics according to your needs to choose the different seal. For more bag knowledge sharing, please don't miss the channel. See you in the next episode. Bye!